So let us start with the concept of sustainability itself. By definition, we can define sustainability as the enduring capacity of the planet to support life. Now, the broader interpretation of this definition offer limited practical guidance. There are many activities that may be sustainable in short term. However, sustainability needs to be identified from a long-term perspective, which is often a bit challenging. There are several operational definitions available for sustainability report or the broader concept of sustainability. However, the landmark Brundle report in 1987 actually came out with the definition of sustainability, which includes sustainability is meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. So that's how that Brundtland report in 1987 has viewed sustainability. Again, if I repeat, it is meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. So just to think about this issue and not to be too much selfish when we are trying to find what we need at the present moment. Always think about the future generations.